Let's breathe into the time of our practice, allowing ourselves to sit for a moment, to come together in community for mindfulness. So we simply take a few deep breaths right here and just allow ourselves to relax. Allow yourself in your own way to become fully present. Whether that's setting things aside to your left and to your right, or setting things aside in your mind, simply noticing them and asking them just to hold on for a moment while you get quiet. It might be making space within your heart, just sending the breath there to lift the space a little, create more spaciousness. So the inhale and the exhale can be free. Knowing that the heaviness of feelings and humanity will always be available to come back to sit with, to process. But just for this moment, we choose consciously not to soak in them, but to breathe into the depths of our being, that part of ourselves that knows that it knows that it knows that we are beyond each moment, that we are beings beyond the human condition and the constraints of time and space, that we are the presence that has awareness of the body and the heart and the mind. But we are not the fullness of those things. We are the animating faculty that enters into being to experience these things. So we come to that place, that space, in mind, divine mind, where we begin to observe the thoughts, the feelings, the sensations may still be there, but we're above them, behind them, present to them without becoming them. We cultivate this space by allowing everything to slow down. The breath, the motion, the mind. As we deepen and expand the inhales and the exhales, we begin to lean into the stillness of the body. Simply noticing it. Feeling into it. So often there's so much movement. Notice what it's like to be still. Like a child in a game when someone says freeze. And just the breath and the heartbeat. Create a rhythm in the midst of the stillness. To gently bring us more deeply into this moment of meditation and mindfulness. We lean in to the stillness. And a still mind, a quiet mind, follows a body that is still, a space that is quiet. As we allow the fullness of our intention to be on the divine light within us and among us. And we put our full attention on the divine. in gratitude for the lives we've been given, and the time and the form we give this life. Gently bowing to seal the practice. Namaste.